Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix Whirlpool Washer 5D error with quick and easy solution.
Fix 1. Reduce suds and reset washer. Step 1. Press pause cancel to stop the cycle. Step 2. Power off the washer and wait 1 minute. Step 3. Restart the washer and run a rinse and spin cycle to clear suds. Step 4. If you use too much detergent, switch to high efficiency detergent and use less. Fix 2. Check drain filter, pump filter. Step 1. Unplug the washer. Step 2. Locate the lower front access panel and open it. Step 3. Place a ball towel and remove the drain filter cap. Step 4. Clean lint, coins, hair, or debris from the filter. Step 5. Reinstall the filter and close the panel. Fix 3. Check drain hose for blockages. Step 1. Move the washer slightly away from the wall. Step 2. Inspect the drain hose for kinks, bends, or clogs. Step 3. Remove the hose and flush it with water if it's blocked. Step 4. Reconnect securely. Fix 4. Clean the detergent drawer. Step 1. Pull out the detergent tray. Step 2. Wash it under warm water to remove soap buildup. Step 3. Clean the slot area as well. Step 4. Reinsert the drawer properly.